I just had two guys show up to drop this 70-inch TV off. It's a Hisense Android TV 4K Ultra HD H65 series. It's a 70-inch. I've used these here before, as you can see right over there. With my Walmart TV, those are made exactly the same as the Roku TV that I bought that's in my bedroom. Now let's flip this around so I can get the ones from the opposite side. And there's one and two off of this side. Now I'm going to slide the box back to where she was at. And we're going to push this back into the corner. Slide off the packaging and hope the screen will be facing us. And we got lucky, it is. Here's the packing they put in front of the screen. My other TV that I got from Walmart, the one that I received was broken, was actually broken on this side of the TV. Let's look at the screen on this baby. So far it looks good, I don't see any breaks yet. But I haven't looked at it the whole way yet. Haven't tried to power her on. We're going to finish taking the TV out of the packaging to inspect it better. So far, so good. Everything looks fine. I haven't found the power cord yet. Well, there's the remote. There in that box. Pulled all this packing off. This TV looks like it has two places for the feet to set on the bottom. Right now I'm just going to lay it on its side. I'm going to turn it sideways. Lean it back carefully, not to break anything. I do want to plug her in, just to make sure everything's fine and okay. Nice looking remote with it. I'll show you guys here in a second. We had a bag that has the owner's manuals in it. And in the bag we have the remote. 2 new batteries that are EverDraw. Some weird brand that you get, I guess, when you buy TVs. And we have the power cord. I don't have my TV wall mount on the wall yet. The cords have this little plug-in protector on to keep it from getting damaged or to keep it maybe from scratching up the TV. I'm going to slide that off. Now I haven't found the legs for the TV yet, but I'm going to guess and say that probably in the top of that box behind the styrofoam is where they like to put legs at for these TVs when you buy them. So if you think your legs are missing, check at the very, very top of the box on the outside edge of the styrofoam. I still need to get those out. I haven't found the screws yet for the legs. Oh, there is a pack of screws, I guess, in the bag that actually comes with it for the legs, and it's a Phillips screw type head. Well, let me just go over there now, and I'm leaving that protective stuff on the TV screen for right now. I just want to lean this forward. With it on its side, it's not going to block any of the vents on the bottom where it needs to breathe. I'm just going to reach over here and plug it into this outlet. And the power light came on instantly. And there we go. It was delivered with no damages to the screen. I bought one that was packed basically the same way from Walmart. That was a Roku TV. And that one, actually, the screen was shattered in it. It looked like too much weight was stacked on it. It actually shattered the screen. Well, I'm just going to grab the remote real quick. Put batteries in it. I do like the remote a lot better on this than a Roku TV, I must say. Okay, put the batteries in the remote. Guess we want to leave it on English. United States. I am in Eastern time, so I'll leave it on Eastern. We're going to continue with the quick setup. Open that pre-installed app, Google. Okay, Google, set up my device. Set up my device. Of course, now it's searching for devices, so we'll find out what happens. Oh, it actually did connect to it somehow. Wow. I'm surprised I didn't even tell it to get on the internet yet. The code verified with my phone. it's actually copying everything from my Google account over. I'm surprised it's actually doing that. This is my first time trying to set up using a Google or an Android-based OS TV.
Here's a summary from Wikipedia. Android is a mobile operating system based on a...
Forget what my phone was saying. Now it's asking me to confirm my password on my cell phone. Now it's telling me to continue setting up actually on the TV itself instead of from my phone. Accept the terms and conditions. To use my location to improve your experience. I'll do it for now, but I may want to go disable that later on.